Scene script. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence will shape our future jobs? Welcome to the dawn of the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword. It's a rapidly growing field that's transforming our world. From healthcare to agriculture, finance to entertainment, AI is revolutionizing industries, making routine tasks more efficient, and opening up a world of possibilities we've yet to fully explore. AI's growth is meteoric. It's not just about robots doing our chores, it's about sophisticated algorithms that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. It's about machines that can understand human language, recognize patterns, and even create art. But as AI automates tasks traditionally done by humans, it's crucial we understand its impact on the job market. It's not a question of if AI will change our jobs, but how. From the jobs it will create to the skills it will demand, AI is set to redefine our work landscape. As AI continues to advance, it's clear our job landscape is set for an unprecedented transformation. Imagine a world where AI does most of the heavy lifting. What happens to our jobs then? Let's take a journey through the evolution of the manufacturing industry. Once dominated by manual labor, manufacturing plants of the past were buzzing with workers operating heavy machinery, performing repetitive tasks day in and day out. Fast forward to today, the scene is dramatically different. AI has entered the stage, reshaping the job landscape. Some roles have indeed become obsolete, but this is not the end of the story. With AI, new roles have sprung up, roles that we couldn't even conceive of a few decades ago. AI specialists, data scientists, automation engineers, these are just a few of the new job titles that have emerged. These roles are not about muscle power, but brain power, about not just operating the machines, but understanding them, improving them. So, as we can see, AI is not a job killer, but a job